This is the continuation of Delhi lesson part 9. Part 9 Delhi. Part now Delhi. In last video I had explained about the lesson. Now in this video I will going to explain the exercise. First it is a meaning. First is jhalak. Jhalak, that means jhanki, that is the glance. Diwane Aam, Aam Darbar, that is the of where the king will meet the normal person. That chamber is called Diwane Aam in Lal Kila. आम आदमी के राजा से भेंट करने की जगह, where the normal persons will meet the king. दीवाने खास, खास दरबार, where the special guests or special peoples will meet the king. That is दीवाने खास. नकाशी, चित्रकारी, that is the art. Okay, what is made in the wall of the Lal Killa. Shan, Shan, Shaukat, Vaibhav, means the pride. Yadgar, Samarak, remembrance. Anokhi, Adbud, unique, or it is different. Nirala, Nirala, Sundar. Nirala Sundar, that means beautiful. Adbud, Sundar or Adbud, that means beautiful. Adhiveshan, Sammelan. Now, moving to the exercise अभ्यास. एक वाक्य में उत्तर लिखो. भारत की राजधानी का नाम क्या है? भारत की राजधानी का नाम दिल्ली है. What is the capital of this question means, what is the capital of the Delhi? Capital of the Bharat, India's capital is Delhi. So answer is भारत की राजधानी का नाम दिल्ली है. नेक्स्ट, दीवाने आम किससे बने हैं? दीवाने आम, the in Lal Killa, Diwane Aam chamber was there, and it is made up of which thing? So it is made up of दीवाने आम लाल पत्थर से बने हैं. As I had explained in the lesson that it is Diwane Aam chamber, it is made up of the red stone. So it is made up of लाल पत्थर से बने हैं. Next, जामा मस्जिद किसके पास है? Where the Jama Masjid is situated? Near Lal Killa. So answer will be Jama Masjid लाल किले के पास है. Only किसके, instead of किसके we have to write लाल किले. Okay. Next, नई दिल्ली की शोभा कैसी है? नई दिल्ली की शोभा अनोखी है. It's unique. नई दिल्ली की शोभा अनोखी है. Only कैसे, instead of that it is written अनोखी. Okay. Now, भारत सरकार का सचिवालय कहाँ पर है? भारत सरकार का सचिवालय नई दिल्ली पर है. That means the secretariat. Where is the secretariat office? Okay. So it is in Delhi only, main office. Now the second main, इन प्रश्नों के उत्तर 2 या 3 वाक्यों में लिखो. This is the long questions. So here first one is लाल किले के बारे में लिखो. write few lines about Lal Killa. So it's already here, so you can copy from there. The answer is दिल्ली का लाल किला बहुत प्रसिद्ध है. इसके दीवाने आम और दीवाने खास देखने लायक है. दीवाने आम में 60 सुंदर खंबे हैं जो लाल पत्थर से बने हैं. दीवाने खास संगमरमर से बना है. इसकी भीतरी दीवारों की नक्काशी बहुत बढ़िया है. This is the answer of first question. Now moving to the second question, that is कुतुब मीनार के बारे में तुम क्या जानते हो? What do you know about the Qutub Minar? So moving to the Qutub Minar, answer is लाल किले के पास ही जाम sorry, this is Qutub Minar. So here we can write दिल्ली से थोड़ी दूर पर कुतुब मीनार है. आसमान से बातें करने वाली यह मीनार बहुत सुंदर है. यह 238 फुट ऊंची है. This will be the answer for second question. Next is संसद के बारे में लिखो. Answer. Now संसद के बारे में लिखो. So नई दिल्ली की शोभा अनोखी है. भारत सरकार का सचिवालय यहीं पर है. संसद भवन बड़ा रमणीय है. यह गोलाकार सदन संसार में निराला है. So from here we can write संसद भवन के बारे में लिखो. So in this para you can take from here. संसद भवन बड़ा रमणीय है. यह गोलाकार सदन संसार में निराला है. लोकसभा राज्यसभा के अधिवेशन इन्हीं सदन में होते हैं. Explanation and all I had given in the last video. You can go and check their children. Now third answer will be this one. Now the fourth question is राष्ट्रपति भवन क्यों निराला है? Why the president's house is very beautiful? Why? Answer is in this para. See Rashtrapati Bhavan. Here it is given. Desh Videsh. So here we can write this one. राष्ट्रपति भवन भारत के राष्ट्रपति का निवास स्थान है. राष्ट्रपति देश व विदेशों के अपने अतिथियों का आदर सत्कार यही करते हैं. राष्ट्रपति का कार्यालय भी इसी भवन में है. इस भवन के एक और भाग में वस्तु संग्रहालय भी है. उसमें कई अमूल्य प्राचीन वस्तुओं का संग्रह है. Why it is so famous? Because it has a part where the museum is there and there we had. So you can write राष्ट्रपति भवन क्यों निराला है? राष्ट्रपति का कार्यालय भी Otherwise, राष्ट्रपति भवन फ्रॉम हियर, भवन के एक और भाग में वस्तु संग्रहालय भी है. दैट मीन्स वस्तु संग्रहालय मीन्स म्यूजियम. उसमें उसमें कई अमूल्य प्राचीन वस्तुओं का संग्रह है. बिकॉज ऑफ दिस ओनली राष्ट्रपति भवन इज फेमस. ओके. Now the fifth question is दिल्ली में देखने लायक स्थान कौन कौन से हैं? So here it is the last para. It is written that दिल्ली में what are the दिल्ली में राजघाट, शांतिवन, जंतर मंतर, कनॉट प्लेस, बिरला भवन, लक्ष्मी नारायण का मंदिर आदि अनेक दर्शनीय स्थान हैं. So this is famous. So this long question is also finished. Now moving to the third main, that is अन्यवचन रूप लिखो. That is, it is singular and we have to write plural form. So it will be किला. So plural it will be किले. किले. बात, बातें. यादें. याद means dreams. महीना means months, like that. महीने. बात, talks. किला means forts. dreams. months. Now विलोम, fourth main, that is विलोम शब्द लिखो. नया पुराना. That means new, old. Old means purana. Pass, near. So opposite will be far. That means dur. Bhitar, that means andar. Bhitar means inside. So opposite will be bahar. Chadna means climbing, and to get down, that is called utarna. Chadna, utarna. Now पर्यायवाची शब्द जानो. पर्यायवाची means the same meaning. It should be same meaning. That is, first one is, they had already given, you have to learn, children. Nagar, Shahar. That means city. Nagar is also city. Shahar is also city. Asman, Akash. Cloud. Mashhoor, Prasidh. Famous. Manohar, Sundar. Beautiful. Both the meanings are same but different words. Okay, it's like that. कन्नड़ या अंग्रेजी में अनुवाद करो. So here लाल किले, or it is given लाल किले के पास जामा मस्जिद है. Near लाल किला is near जामा मस्जिद, और जामा मस्जिद is near Red Fort. दिल्ली में कुतुब मीनार है. कुतुब मीनार is in दिल्ली. दिल्ली भारत की राजधानी है. दिल्ली is the capital of India. लोकसभा और राज्य संसद के 2 सदन हैं. लोकसभा, राज्यसभा are the 2 house of a parliament. Next, the seventh. Seventh main, सही fill in the blanks. सही शब्द चुनकर खाली स्थान भरो. लाल किला. लाल किला दिल्ली में है. दिल्ली में है. Where it is? लाल किला is situated in Delhi. That is, Red Fort is situated in Delhi. कुतुब मीनार डैश फुट ऊंची है. 238. So that is, this is 338. 300. No. This is 238. 238. This is the correct answer. So 238. This is 438. That is 400. So it is all. Correct answer is 238. दीवाने खास डैश से बना है. दीवाने खास, where the king will meet the special persons. That is, that chamber is made up of marble. संगमरमर मिल marble. Now जोड़कर लिखो. That is the matching. Okay, match the following. Vidhan Sauda, where it is? It is in Bangalore. Bengaluru. Chamundi Pahad, Mysuru. This one is Mysuru. Kamal Mahal, Hampi. Gol Gumbaz, Vijaypura. Okay, answer is like that. Now it is given नमूने के, ninth main is नमूने के अनुसार वर्तनी शुद्ध करो. That is, they had given in the wrong spelling. We have to correct. This is Rajadhani. Rajadhani. Now, correct one is Rajdhani. This is Bharat. Not Bharat. 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 Karyalay. It's not Karyalay. It is Karyalay. 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 Sarkar. Not Sarkar. It is Sarkar. So this is the correct spelling. That is called. Next is, they had given some words or letters with Kagunita. Now from this we have to make 10 words. First is arm. Arm. Next arm. See, first one is already they had given arm. Next is share. This one is share. Share right here. Next, dukan. 3 is dukan. Dukan. Fourth one is didi. Didi means sister. Next, pavan. 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 Then it is nagar. Nagar means city. Sharam. Sharam. Next one is roti. Shame. Sharam means roti. Sorry, sharam means shame. Roti. Roti means chapati. Then sagar. Sagar. Sagar means river. Kapda. Kapda means clothes. Then one more, we can make it as gha. One more we will make it as, first one is here, va and na. That is one. One means forest. Va na one. Okay. Now this one is done. Now then going to the 11th one, that is, it is already What words? पढ़ो, समझो और उन्हीं शब्दों को लिखो. That is, first read, learn, and then read, understand, and then write the same words. Dilli, Dilli, you have to write here same words. Sangmarmar, Sangmarmar, marble. Udyan, you have to write here Udyan. Prasansha, Prasansha. Rashtrapati, Rashtrapati. व्यवस्था, व्यवस्था. वस्तु संग्रहालय, वस्तु संग्रहालय. सत्कार, सत्कार. शांतिवन, शांतिवन. दर्शनीय स्थान, दर्शनीय स्थान. Now the last is the pictures they had given. Now you have to say which picture is this. First one is Rajghat, 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 Rajghat. Now this one is, second one is Jantar Mantar, Jantar, Jantar Mantar. That is also in Delhi, Jantar Mantar. Now that is Kamal Mahal. See children, this is a Kamal Mahal. That means Lotus Palace. See how it is made up of, looking like a lotus only. So it is a Kamal Mahal. Kamal Mahal. This one is Jama Masjid, which is situated near the Jama Masjid, which is situated near the Lal Killa. Jama Masjid. Hope you like the video. So if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Bye children.